Hey there, Shooby Doodlers. Today I'm going to show you how to draw lipstick. Now I'm going to start going straight up like that, and then sort of round, but it's kind of a pointy roundness like that, and we'll come straight back down to about there and join those two with a curve. And then we want to come just slightly around down to about there, slightly round down to about there, and we'll join those two with a curve again. We'll do exactly the same, just slightly round and down, slightly round and down, and then we'll join those two up with a curve. And then here, these want to be, we'll have a little bit of kind of knurling. That's knurling with a K, which allows your fingers to get a bit of a grip as you twist things around. And then here we're just going to do a little bit of thing like that, and maybe a little bit of sort of shininess. And this is the kind of the weird bit with the lipstick, where we need to draw a kind of a curve like that. Now that's okay, but you need a lid as well, don't you? So I'm going to draw a line coming straight down. We want that to be the same width there. So let's draw a line going up now that we've got that same width. And then we want to draw a curve joining that at the top. And that will go to like that, and down there, and maybe a little bit around like that. And then maybe it might have some kind of a pattern on there. Something like that, a sort of a brand name. And we can do a little bit of sort of shininess along there. And we need a bit of shadow to keep it on the table. And let's put the table in as well. There you go. How to draw lipstick. Thanks for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing. Practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.